In this video, I will show you how to download and install Play Store from Google Chrome on Android. It is a simple method to download any Play Store on mobile. First of all, go to Google and open. I open Google Chrome. Search APK Store. Search on this. Then click this first site apk4.com. After open this site, then click search bar and search Play Store. Search on this. Then click this first one, download APK. Click on this. Scroll down. Click download APK. Close this ads. Now my download is started. Now my Play Store download is completed. I open this, click on this and install. I already Play Store installed, so I cancel this. You can see how I download and install Play Store from Google Chrome easily. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.